Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. I'm Irmi Norsuhana binti Ismail with my friend Siti Norain binti Abdul Rahim from Polytechnic Ibrahim Sultan. The title of my presentation today is Development of Easy Marking Template EMT Product Design for Introduction to Pattern Making Course and its Effect Towards Lecturers. A research study based on detected issues by surveys which aims to provide an innovation to existing clothing pattern block template design to easy marking pattern EMT as an alternative to facilitate lecturers in marking student assignments for DVF 10183 Introduction to Pattern Making course. It is an essential tool which serves as a supplementary medium for lecturers in conducting lecture sessions, especially during clothing pattern drafting activities, simultaneously accelerating marking process guided by established marking scheme. The objective of this study is to innovate clothing pattern block with modifications in terms of durable materials, as well as more practical and conducive design to enable effective and time-saving teaching and learning process. DVF 10183 Introduction to Pattern Making course introduce students to clothing pattern drafting technique by using the correct equipment as well as precise measurements to ensure the garment shapes appear perfect, therefore using smooth sewing process. In this scenario, the lecturer task during clothing pattern drafting process is to demonstrate in detail each and every step on how to make basic pattern block while referring to standard sizing which has been established. When completed, lecturer needs to review the basic pattern block which has been produced by the student in order to ensure its precision and accuracy, complete with symbols and pattern labels. Problem statement needs to review using measurement tape and various pattern drafting tools. Overloaded student assignments yet to be reviewed and marked becomes burdensome, consequently affecting lecturers' work performance. Working process becomes slow since lecturer needs to review and mark using meticulous method to measure each angle. Marking and assessing process are stalled since it is necessary to constantly refer to notes and assignment brief. A few lecturers, when interviewed about the scenario of marking and documenting marks, provided the following feedback. Lecturer 1 needs to review using measuring tape and various pattern drafting tools. Suggestion: reduce the number of tools by producing a special template, which is a basic pattern block to mark. Lecturer 2, working process becomes slow since lecturer needs to review and mark using meticulous method to measure each angle. Suggestion: numerical measurements on the basic pattern block template. Lecturer 3, subsequent student assignments are delayed due to the scrupulous marking process. Suggestion: basic pattern block template design needs to be aligned and precisely measured according to the assignment brief. Lecturer 4, overloaded student assignments yet to be reviewed and marked becomes burdensome, consequently affecting the lecturer's work performance. Suggestion: material for basic pattern block template must be accentuated to make it easier for lecturers to use, therefore speeding up the marking process. Lecturer 5, sometimes assignments need to be reviewed repeatedly due to errors made by students. Suggestion: if a basic pattern block template is available, it will be easier for lecturers to review as they only need to trace to make corrections. Lecturer 6, marking and assessing process are stalled since it is necessary to constantly refer the notes and assignment brief. Suggestion: basic pattern block template must be equipped with measurements, symbols, and labels. Table 1 is a demographic analysis of the respondents consisting of gender information, teaching experience in the field of fashion and teaching experience in DVF 10183 subjects. A total of 5 respondents have more than 10 years of teaching experience in the field of fashion, while a total of 6 respondents equivalent to 100% have 10 to 40 semesters of experience teaching in the subjects. The ideal process of innovation design starts from identify problem, identify conventional method scenario, collect design information, design innovation, and design prototypes. Through interviews and discussions to solve problems, the idea to create easy marking template emerged as facilitation and will indirectly save time and accelerate the pattern block marking process. This is a prototype design which has been refined to have more efficient features in terms of its usage. This design includes all types of pattern blocks, namely bodice pattern, pants pattern, sleeve pattern, and skirt pattern.
Results and discussion. This is comparative findings between previous marking techniques and easy marking template EMT.
Through interviews and discussions to solve the problems, the idea to create easy marking template emerged as a facilitation and will indirectly save time and accelerate the pattern blocks marking process.
The result of 2 semester easy marking template experiment and interviews with respondents, this innovative product is very practical because its optimal use can solve the workload problem faced by the respondents. This is evidenced by the comparison between the conventional method and the easy marking template through this table which has been listed. Conclusion, the study is conducted based on researchers' experience, observation of scenario during teaching and learning lessons, and interviews with lecturers to seek for solution for the workload problems suffered by lecturers of DVF10183 Introduction to Pattern Making during the marking process of clothing pattern drafting student assignments. With facilitation as the keyword, the idea of easy marking template product design emerged with which could accelerate the clothing pattern marking process to reduce the excessive workload of lecturers. It serves as a teaching aid to ensure a smooth teaching and learning process in accordance with the set teaching and learning objectives. It is also user-friendly and more efficient in facilitating teaching and learning sessions to be more systematic. The statement illustrates that the main objective of the study to produce clothing pattern block design as a facilitator has been successfully achieved. The results of this renovation show several important achievements in the term of durable material. The use of perspex plastic material with a thickness of 2 mm which is durable, lightweight, and has a flat and transparent surface makes it easier for lecturers to identify errors found in student patterns. Practical design. A more practical design provides clear benefits to lecturers in the context of ease of use or application in teaching. Overall, this study not only served its original purpose but also provided effective and recognized results in this more conducive and effective use.